Hi, in this video we are going to understand how we can create a class and how we can access this class property, and now we can understand using example. Using class keyword we can create a class test, and inside the class I create one constructor and here pass two property id and name. Inside the constructor I initialize id and name. Now I create a class with basic id and name and is initialized in a constructor, and I create one instance object using new keyword. I create one instance of the test class. In a constructor I pass value. Now here what I do here, create one test class and in a constructor I initialize id and name. Now I want to print console.log. Now I run this file. Now we can see that test class has a property name and id. Using a instant constructor I pass out in a parameter and it is initialized. So this way we can create a class, and instead of class, using instance we can access the property of the class.